This is gonna be my new PC. 2 RAM sticks, Ryzen 7, 650 watt power supply, and a NZXT H5 flow. And if you want to know how much I paid for all this, just look at the description or like look at the screen in front of you. But the 1660s and the RAM sticks are gonna be from my old PC. And what else? Oh yeah, honorable mention. I am not gonna use it, but if he's willing to give it, my friend's willing to give it to me for free, then I would lovely take it.
I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. They know me where it snows, I skate in and they froze. I don't know nothing about no ice, I'm just cold. 40-something really subs or so, I've been told. I'm in my prime and this ain't even final form. They knock me down, but still my feet, they find the floor. I went from living room straight out to sold out tours. Life's a fight, but trust I'm ready for the war. Whoa!
King? Yeah. Alright. I want to check everything here. Everything should more or less be here. Floor. Fan should be attached to the thing already. 45, right? Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Have a good day.
Record the computer
Yes.
and back channel the TV and the television.
Oh, that's the boot up screen?
Yeah.
Oh, it's crazy.
Whoa, I guess this is how the story goes. I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. They know me where it snows, I skied in and they froze. I don't know nothing about no ice, I'm just cold. 40-something really subs or so, I've been told. From the screen to the ring, to the pen, to the king. Where's my crown? That's my bling. Always drama when I ring. See, I believe that if I see it in my heart, smash through the ceiling cause I'm reaching for the stars. Whoa!
Nice. Oh, red.
And then stopping right?
Is that the water? The liquid?
Yeah.
Damn. Oh, there we go. So, I'm finally on my new PC, and first impressions is that this PC is so fucking good. Okay, I don't know how to explain it. Basically, every video game I play now has twice the FPS compared to my last computer. So, let me get the key points out of the way. Remember the RTX 3070 Ti I showed in the video, and I installed it? I actually have a different GPU installed, and it is the RTX 4070. Here's a short clip of my friend trying to install it, but basically what I can finally do now is play games with DLSS and have AV1 encoding. So for those who don't know what AV1 encoding is, if you are a content creator that uses like NVENC H.264 or HEVC on OBS, when you're on a RTX 40 series card, there's this new option called AV1. What it's supposed to do is it's a better version of HEVC. So the quality of my videos should be much more better. My stream should be running with AV1, so I can stream at a lower bitrate and the quality still should look good. So I'm kind of excited. What else I want to add is that the reason why I'm on Minecraft is because I don't feel like going on games demonstrating how many FPS I'm getting. So here's a list of games that I play on and how much FPS I'm getting. It is completely a big gain compared to my last computer. And if you want to know the specs of this computer, I'll leave everything in the description. I also want to add the reason why I have my webcam off is because my room is messy, so I gotta clean up. And after I upload this video, there should be another video uploaded on my main channel, which is going to be my 2024 setup tour video. And you'll see how much big of a difference my room looks compared to my last setup tour. I don't know what else to say in this video. I want to make it as short as possible, so I guess I'm gonna end the video here. If I do miss anything, I'll put something on screen telling you to read the description because I am a terrible commentator. If you enjoy this, instead of liking the video, if you're new, go to my main channel and subscribe. Do not subscribe to this channel because I don't upload jack shit here. Okay, I'm done. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my setup tour video, which I will leave on the screen right now. And yeah, I hope to see you guys there. Bye bye.